All right, what is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. I haven't done a cheapest designer unboxing in a little bit. So in today's episode, you can tell by the thumbnail, it is going to be the cheapest item I could find from Tiffany's. So let's get it open and show you what is inside. I'll tell you how much it was. It was not cheap for what it is, but without further ado, let's check out that packaging. All right, so we got the box open, and here is the packaging from Tiffany's for this item. First up, I did say it was a gift, so this is the little Tiffany's gift bag that they included. That's my order slip, so I'm not going to show you that one because it's got my address on it, but little Tiffany's bag here. And then I did get a little like gift card, a message on a little card, but tiny little gift box there. And you can customize any notes, of course, with your gift. Happy unboxing. Okay, so the cheapest item was a whopping 47 bucks. So about $50 after tax. Obviously shipping was free, but a little disappointed that it's not like a Tiffany branded ribbon. It's just a plain white ribbon on here for their gift wrapping. This will barely fit in that bag they gave me. But this is the rose gold hand cream from Tiffany & Company. I'm kind of shocked how much this is, but I guess I shouldn't be surprised if you saw my Cartier video with how much the body wash was. I was hoping I could get something a little better for that price, but yeah, after tax and fees, it came out to about $50.64 for this hand cream. Of course, I will use it. There is your Tiffany & Co. signature packaging. It's not the biggest bottle of hand cream for that price. You would hope it would be like a big bottle of lotion, right? But there is our hand cream, and it does smell quite nice, but again, spending all that money for just a little hand cream is pretty darn ridiculous. I think some of the other designer houses do their cheapest items a bit better with the packaging. So got a gift bag. There was no tissue paper, a little unbranded ribbon. Not my favorite so far, I must say. Anyways, short little video this week. If you want to see more of these types of videos, I have them all up on my YouTube channel. We'll be doing a few more coming up over the next few weeks, but please hit that like and subscribe button. We're on the road to 1,000 followers and trying to hit that watch hour count. But with that being said, I will see y'all in the next video. Bye-bye.